Hi everyone and welcome. This is Hikvision's flagship, wall-mounted signature display. The DP series is built for a wide range of commercial spaces, from retail shops and corporate offices to public service environments. And it's not just a screen. The DP series is a smart signature solution with 4K clarity, easy deployment and built-in management tools. Everything you need from a modern business. Let's talk about the display performance. The DP series features a 4K resolution, 500 nits of brightness and a wide 178 degree of viewing angle and a 25% haze level. It's built to handle tough lighting, especially in spaces like clothing stores where strong spotlights can cause glare. To tackle that, the screen uses an anti-glare matte surface. It cuts down reflection and keeps content clear even under direct lighting. And thanks to a 178 degree viewing angle, visuals stay sharp and easy to reach from any direction. That makes it ideal for areas with lots of foot traffic. With 85% NTSC color gamut coverage, it delivers vivid, true-of-life visuals with precise detail. It's ideal for fashion and beauty scenarios, where accurate texture and tone really matters. Inside, it runs a powerful 4-core CPU and 4 plus 32 GB of storage. That means smooth and reliable playback of 4K video, even at 60 frames per second. Design-wise, the display fits beautiful into premium environments. It has a sleek 39.6 profile and ultra-slim bezel, just 9mm at all sides. And there's no logo at the bottom bezel, so the overall look stays clean, minimal and professional. That's why your content can take center stage and delivers a more comprehensive viewing experience. It uses integrated molding for a smooth and lightweight structure. Plus, hidden cable guide keeps the setup neat and organized after installation. With a fanless cooling system, the display stays silent. And if the temperature gets too high, a built-in thermal protection will automatically shut down the device, adding peace of mind in warmer environments. Built with a commercial-grade LCD screen and a fanless cooling system, the DP series supports quiet, reliable 24/7 operation. Ideal for airports, conference stores and other high-demand environments. The DP series comes with a HDMI and USB port to support a wide range of content sources. It also includes an RS-232 port for centralized control. In addition, you'll find free HDMI 2.0 inputs with ADCP 2.2 support, perfect for smooth playing licensed 4K content in public-facing environments. A wall-mounted bracket is included for easy installation. And with the built-in gyroscope, the screen can automatically rotate between landscape and portrait mode. So whatever you're seating mounted in cafe or food courts, or setting up a vertical display in clothing stores, it adapts easily to your layout. The included remote control works up to 7 meters away and supports a 30-degree angle infrared, making it easy to manage the display even in large spaces. It also allows for precise multi-screen control in retail setups with multiple devices installed. For multi-screen setups, the remote supports a 30-degree infrared reception angle and separate power keys for precise flexible control. The DP series runs on Android 13 and comes with a Hikvision HikCentral FoxSign platform. It supports centralized management up to 2048 displays, whether for content publishing or status monitoring, significantly reducing IT workload. It also offers an open API support, so businesses can integrate the display into their existing software systems with ease. With its smart design and strong performance, the DP series delivers a top-tier digital signature experience for business environments. It helps you boost your brand and unlock new opportunities. We look forward to working with you, so let's explore more creative ways to make the most of the DP series.